Whoa, sick new job, bro. Down. Yo, guys, come on.
Oh,
Down.
yeah.
It's like where
Let's
mine
get our
is.
bags.
Yeah. They said this one was mine.
Nah,
Yeah,
guys,
I might get
check
some of my stuff out my room.
Guys, let's check. Nah, let's go. Let's go see if we can. Let's go see. Let's go see.
Hey, look at that sick
boys, I think we
place.
should get dripped out, guys. I think we should get dripped out down at the shop.
Oh yeah, I already am dripped.
Yeah, let me just get my drippy sunglasses on, bro.
Whoa. This stuff looks so
this is
cool,
sick.
dude. You can literally buy this stuff. This is weird, crazy. You can buy this stuff.
Hey, guys, look at my drippy glasses, bro.
Damn. Good job, bro.
Oh, that is cool.
Let's go, guys.
Glasses.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Nah, I hope we can go out of the world over here, bro.
Oh, there's some stuff here.
Yeah, some gems. Let's mine these.
Put the ores in your bag.
Let's get our lights on. Everyone, let's get our lights on. We need lights.
Yeah, lights turn on.
Yeah.
Everyone, I've got my light in my
Put
bag.
my light on, so.
This is a sick job. I can't believe it. We literally got hired. This is crazy. Dude, we're like the most
How many
famous
kills in
miners.
5?
Only like one. Because it was my fault. Oh,
Yeah, because you kept using the excavator to hit the support beams and collapse the entire cave, bro.
oh my god. That was funny. Oh, there's some stuff here. Guys, I'm full. We'll hurt ourselves if we fall. Oh, boring. It's running away now.
Nah, guys, I want to see how you get out of the way.
Hey, where the hell did my pickaxe go? Hey, guys, I found we have a radio on our wrist. We can use that.
Hey, shit. Oh, I see some gold.
Oh, gold, yeah. Like myself some gold.
Yeah, guys.
What the hell? I hear something. Oh. We're not alone in these caves, I don't think.
Probably just a small spider.
It doesn't sound small, dude.
It could be other miners, to be honest.
How do you think that could be up my mind?
Said that this place
guys,
is
we
kind
won't be
of
the
crowded,
only
but I'm surprised that we haven't come across any other miners yet.
Apparently one guy said that he was
gonna
trapped
go
in
over
sewers.
I don't know what that place is.
What the hell? What the hell?
Watch out!
Oh my goodness.
Dude, this place is dangerous. Dude, these places aren't safe. What's that music? Whoa.
Guys, I got bad.
Ah! Yeah! It's loud in there. God, my ears.
Guys,
Oh my god.
guys, there's a load of lava down there in her.
Whoa, what is this stuff? It goes pretty loud.
Guys, don't you think we can get out of there? It's kind of a bit hot around that big sun.
Guys, I think we should go back.
Yeah, let's get out of this place.
No, I'm not leaving them behind.
It's a bit dangerous being around the actual sun.
Hey, come around.
Like the actual sun.
Alright, guys, let's go. Everyone, let's get in. Oh, that was loud. I think this one will break.
Guys, watch out for the platforms.
Whoa.
God, this company has the worst platforms, I'm not gonna lie. Well, this job's kind of fun, actually. Every job is fun, because I'm crazy.
Down here, guys. Guys, it looks like there's another pathway down here. Why don't we go this way?
Yeah.
Find some of the best gems.
I got these weird pink broccolis. I collected them. Might be able to
I've
sell
got a
them.
weird feeling about this place. That's blood. Guys. It's only a small... What the?
That's not small.
That's quite a big spider. And why is there blood all over the floor?
What the hell is it? Oh, that's not small. That's not small. That's not small. That's not small. That is not small. That thing is not small. That thing is not small. This place is dangerous. I swear. So I think this place is dangerous.
There's literally blood everywhere, bro. There's blood.
Dude. Oh, there's more
Guys, I
gold.
got some gold.
You guys will have to collect some stuff. My bag's full of these weird pink broccoli things.
Should we go back? Right?
Let's go.
back?
You go.
Guys,
Everyone. Let's go sell our stuff. Let's go sell our stuff. Everyone, watch out for it.
Watch out for the landmines.
Yeah, watch out for the fool. Should we sell the broccolis?
I don't know. I didn't collect
Yeah, why
any.
not?
Why don't we just throw a whole bag in? They'll still give us the money.
Nah, it's not worth it. We might only have one bag.
Should we go to the sewers? Someone said we need to be careful because a lot of people
let's sell
have
this
apparently
one.
died down.
Apparently someone died down there.
I'm quite hungry. Why don't we try
Yeah.
this broccoli?
Holy moly.
What
Oh
the
my
hell?
god, you're tiny.
My god.
Hey, bro, don't be rude about my height. Oh wait, what? I'm actually tiny.
Dude, he's small as heck now. Dude. That's
maybe
funny
it
as
was weight
hell.
loss stuff. Maybe it's weight loss stuff. He was a bit chunky before.
Oh my god. That's crazy. Let's just go to sewers
Come on,
anyways.
guys.
Yeah.
We've been in here before, so it's something.
Ow. Dude.
I think there's like no gravity now.
What do you mean we've been in here before? We've never been here before.
Oh yeah, we've only been in that other place. That time there wasn't
Tuckies!
there though.
Tuckies! Die!
Oh my goodness, guys!
Die!
Guys, I think someone might have actually died here. There's a bunch of blood and body parts around the ceiling.
Oh, it's dead.
Why would you break someone's body parts? It's not like it's gonna kill him, is it?
Guys, look out there, I've got a bomb.
But the main question is, why
Well, you have a bomb!
are there body parts?
Yeah, let me go explode something with it.
Go explode that eye thing. What the hell it is? Looks dangerous.
Guys, there's a wall of blood over here.
Guys, I think we should be collecting items.
Yeah, should we be collecting these?
Yeah,
Banana, I'm
let's
hungry.
collect them.
Oh, it's fake. It's plastic banana.
What kind of comedy is this then? Yeah, fake
No, why do they
item.
have plastic bananas here, bro?
Trying to kill us or something? God.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I got a gold bar!
A golden bar?
Guys! The red light, green light thing's back!
You know the name of that thing?
No, that's what I'm gonna call it.
Jay. Oh, that makes sense. Both of us did. I don't watch the news.
Well, it honestly means
You should watch it more. It gives some good details about the mines and the sewers. It told us about the people who died there. It kind of makes sense now that there's loads of blood and body parts everywhere.
yeah.
Like, look at this.
Apparently someone made a tweet on Twitter about like this weird clone of us being in this pot. Like, dude, it's probably fake. Oh, wait.
Yeah, look, there's just another guy. Wait, guys! Guys,
No, that's fake!
survivor!
I think that's a fake! I think that's a fake!
This is a
It's acting weird!
No!
It's acting weird! It's acting weird.
Guys, it's a survivor.
Oh, get away from that thing! That thing looks dangerous!
There's a bomb? Why are there bombs?
It's getting closer!
There's a survivor. Hey, no, it's just a normal survivor. He's a normal survivor.
Dude.
He's a normal survivor.
No, he's not!
Whoa! Why would you hit him? Now he's angry at you. Wait, what? That doesn't look like a normal person. Oh, I don't think that's human. I think
That's
we
a
just
monster!
run for it. It's an alien creature. Do we just run for it?
Oh, we got a crate! Football. Jesus.
Hey, football.
Yeah, let's get going. I think we should get going. This looks a bit dangerous.
Guys, I found the way out. Are you sure that's the way out? That looks like it goes deeper. We won't want to go too deep because we might get stuck.
Who
Hopefully
cares?
there's some I heard of this place called Zero Graph. It was on a newspaper. I don't watch the news, but I like newspapers.
Oh, okay. Forms.
And those green things. Those are weird.
I don't. I basically never read job forms. So yeah.
How do you not?
Whoa.
I always read them, bro.
Oh, maybe that's.
Luckily we have these grapplers. I could have died to that fall.
Everyone,
I have anything.
I got a lot. I got some stuff.
I think I definitely did get some stuff.
God, that hurts my ears. Damn. Really loud,
Hopefully this sells for a lot.
huh? Yeah. Apparently, if it sells for one, oh my God, I have a lot of money. Hey guys,
That's
why don't we
it
check
for
this
me.
weird thing out? Here, why don't we check this out?
How much money you got? How much money you got, bro?
I'm putting my stuff over there.
How much money have you got, bro?
Oh my God, I could buy an RPG for 10k money
That sounds like a rip-off.
and a revolver. Damn.
I'm just gonna buy a grenade.
Oh yeah, they might be pretty useful. Who knows?
Guys,
What the hell?
I think I
Sorry.
know how we got our equipment. Oh yeah, they must have bought the equipment here. Yeah, look, this is where we can buy these. We can buy our equipment here if we die. Well, not die, sorry, if we lose anything. Good. That's good, that's good. I'll put this
Hey.
extra stuff in my bag.
Look at this stack.
Yeah, take this as well.
I have this weird heart gun thing.
Where's my bag?
Whoa.
You chucked it over there. I swear I didn't chuck it, but
Oh.
that's weird.
Where's
Where's my
my
light
pickaxe?
go as well?
I don't know.
Luckily, they
weird.
have some lights in this stock. Yeah.
I'm not bringing a bag this
Lights are very
time.
cheap, I will admit.
Yeah.
Whoa, what's that thing?
I don't know. Let's test it out, guys. It probably launches stuff. Let's see. Ow!
Whoa.
Get on my head.
Be careful with that. That could really hurt.
Yeah.
Look, you left some blood
Hey, guys.
splatters on the floor.
Should we go down into that area? I saw a minefield over there.
Oh yeah, let's go to the forest.
I think this thing hurts you. I think this thing hurts.
Ah, here's my light.
Yeah.
Oh, I've already got a light open.
Don't use that too much.
Yeah, it definitely does help hurt you. You might want to be careful with it.
Dude.
Ah, here's your bag. I found your bag, bro.
Damn, how did it go that
thank
far?
I don't know.
Hang on, is it mine?
Probably a big explosion.
Oh yeah, 'cause that's a pickaxe.
Yeah, it was
I
the
don't have
mines. They blew it up. Oh, that's mine.
one. You have a pickaxe in
I
your
need
bag.
that. No, that's the spare one I found.
I don't have that. I need one. Yeah, get that grappler. Can't lose that one.
Let's go.
Guys,
Whoa.
What the hell's in here?
I got it. No,
that's the
go.
That's the thing that I killed.
Oh, how
did
did
you
it
get in
move
here?
over here?
Huh? Wait, how's that shit? It's covered in blood.
Guys, what is this?
Wait,
Can we go into it?
do you think that these were living things, not robots?
Yeah. There's another one.
That's kind of creepy thinking they're living people. Maybe they put the dead people in there and put their body parts inside. This is kind of creepy.
I ain't going in there, it's too dark.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Yeah, let's go.
Some people said there's like this giant human guy that gets really annoying if you come too close to him.
Let's go, guys.
Maybe you should stay up just in case they're huge, man.
I had a ghost. Everyone, go down! Go down!
This seems kind of chill.
Dark forest.
I hear another one. Maybe you could just get up.
What is that thing? Why do I hear a ghost?
Just maybe keep the lights off just in case. Because I think I heard someone talking about this weird ghost thing that kills lights. It hates light. It hates.
Yeah, and it kills if you have your light on for too long. Hey guys, I'm gonna go see what that thing is. Hey guys, I think we should go back. This place seems too dangerous.
And dark. Can't see a thing.
I'm getting up. Guys, we need to run. He's gonna throw something at me.
It went further on than just those green things. Maybe this time we should go further on. Somebody was talking about that, like, lava.
I'm really low,
Sounds kind
guys.
of creepy, but that'd be kind of cool, seeing real lava.
Really,
What
that's
are you talking
stupid.
about? We saw real lava. I got stuck inside of it.
I'm really hurt.
Wait,
What are you
those
talking
were people
about?
that those spiders captured. Like, literally, there's 2 dead bodies.
What are you talking about, dude? What? Oh my god. Dude, what the hell? No, we need to get
It's
out of
making
here.
me fly! I'm
not flying anymore. The bodies just started flying when I was on top of it.
Hey guys,
I think it.
let's go past that planet, map.
Yeah, let's go past the planet place. And let's go like.
Hey guys, come back, you left me.
Whoa! I just heard another one of those spider things.
It's under me! It's under me! It's under me!
This place is infested. Okay, let me try and kill this thing. It's climbing up the wall.
Did I get it?
It's inside of the wall though. Right. How did it get inside of the wall? That's kind of.
Hey bro,
creepy.
you there? Dude, where is this guy? Hey dude, come
Hey!
on. Let's
Yeah,
go.
let's go over down there. This time, let's go like Billy Beat. Let's go further than last time. Instead of touching that green thing again. Let's go further. There could be
Okay,
like
then.
some- Yeah, let's just go straight forward this time. Alright, that part's safe. I'm surprised that part didn't fall. They could be like really good gems to mine.
Oh guys, look at this! Let's see what we get.
Purple colored ones.
Okay.
Whoa!
Glider it, sure. Oh, we could use this. Very nice.
I'll put it in my bag.
Whoa.
Whoa,
I
you
can
can pick stuff up with that.
Wait, let's see if I can hurt people with it. Oh yes, I can.
Ow! Whoa! You
Haha.
heard him.
Now the spider won't be able to beat me.
Guys, you could go deeper.
I can mine star.
Yeah, let's go to the very bottom. Be careful, because there might be some more of those spider things.
I don't think so.
We don't know. Alright. Wait, that's
Come all the way down.
I'm behind you. No, don't mind the green thing. Don't mind the green thing. Let's go further on this time. Let's go past the green thing. Let's go past the green thing.